Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're gonna see how to install and configure MariaDB on Oracle Linux 8.8. MariaDB is an open source relational database management system (DBMS) that is a consistent drop-in replacement for the executively used MySQL database technology. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, I am going to install MariaDB server by using the following command. Next, I am going to enable the MariaDB service by using the following command. Next, I am going to start the MariaDB service by using the following command. Next, I am going to check the status of MariaDB service by using the following command. It is active and running. Next, I am going to install MariaDB service by using the following command. Enter current password. Set root password. Yes. Give yes. Again give yes. Again give yes. Again give yes. Next, I am going to log in MariaDB database by using the following command. Enter password. Now I log in into the MariaDB service. Next, I am going to create a sample database by using the following command. I created the test database. It is created. Next, I enter the database using the following command. I entered the test database. Next, I am going to create a table in the name of checklist by using the following command. Insert the values inside the table by using the following command. Next, I am going to list insert the table credential by using the following command. Next, to create the user and grant all privileges by using the following command. Next I'm going to flash exit from the MariaDB service. Next login as here user in MariaDB by using the following command. Enter password. It is logged. This is the process to install MariaDB on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.